If you want the best Shopify free trial deal available right now, use the link in the description. That link unlocks the current offer, a free trial, then 3 full months for just $1 a month. That is about 97% off, which is why people search for things like Shopify Free Trial 90 days or Shopify 3-month free trial. This is that deal. Click the link in the description now before the offer changes, then follow along. Here is exactly how to get your Shopify free trial step by step. Click the link in the description, enter your email, create a password, and hit Start Free Trial. Shopify will ask where you want to sell. Choose Online Store if you want a full website. It will also ask what you plan to sell. Pick whatever fits closest and do not overthink it because you can always change it later. Next, you will see the plan options. For most beginners, go with the basic plan. It has everything you need to launch a real store, and it works perfectly with the $1 for 3 months deal you get through the link. You will need to add your payment details here, but you will not be charged until your Shopify trial ends. And if you skip picking a plan, your store stays locked, and you cannot publish it to real customers, so make sure you choose one. Once you are inside the dashboard, here is what to do during your Shopify trial. Pick a theme and customize your homepage with your logo, colors, and fonts. No coding needed, it is all drag and drop. Then add your products with photos, prices, and short descriptions. If you are doing dropshipping, connect an app like DSers or AutoDS and import products in minutes. Set up your payments so you can actually get paid through cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, and Shop Pay. Then, when you are ready to go live, go to Online Store and remove the password protection so your store is visible to the public. The biggest mistake people make with a Shopify trial is they sign up and do nothing. Do not be that person. Use these first 3 days to build your store, add products, and test checkout. Then your $1 for 3 months kicks in, and you have almost zero financial risk to keep building and get to your first sale. So if you have been searching how to get Shopify free trial access, this is exactly how. Click the link in the description right now to lock in the Shopify free trial and the 3-month deal while it is still available. The link is right there. Start today.